kind of vlog. It's a secret vlog, and basically he has no idea that this is happening. Gnocchi. I love these. This is like the 4th bag that we've gone through. The blogger closet sales, and I'm so excited. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, another vlog. So I have Nat here with me.
Yogura.
This is a very different kind of vlog. It's a secret vlog, and basically Bella's out of town this week and I am taking it upon myself to redecorate a little bit, rejudge some things in here. I've mentioned this before, but I haven't really gone into detail. We moved in together in August of 2018, and I moved into his place, and like, you know, we combined all of our things, and it has been quite the work in progress to get the apartment feeling like we want it to. And getting organized and like getting rid of stuff. We're constantly like reorganizing and, you know, replacing some stuff and getting rid of stuff and stuff like that. How many times did I just say stuff? We're both super busy, and you know, we work crazy hours, and then when we come home and on the weekend, the last thing that we want to do is like worry about home stuff. But I made the time, and I want to kind of like surprise him and see, you know, his reaction and stuff. And obviously, ideally, we would do this together, but like I said, it's like when we have downtime, we just want to like spend time together and like go out places that we haven't been, and go, you know, to restaurants and like just chill and like not talk about anything work or like home related. So I'm doing that this weekend, and I'm really excited. He has no idea that this is happening. And Nat graciously agreed to come and help me like move furniture around and stuff, and then I'm gonna do a little bit of shopping and like revamping the place. So I'm gonna document the whole process, and I'm gonna share that with you guys in this vlog. So let's get started. All right, so this is the first order of business. This unit we actually bought and built because we needed more storage, and so we were like, oh, this is like the perfect credenza, and it works and it's fine on this wall. However, I am going to swap this out for our TV unit, which let me show you guys that. By the way, I have the window open, so excuse the noise that's coming from outside. So this is a TV unit, and as you can see, it's not closed. So there's like all these open things, which I'm not a fan of. I think it looks messy. And like this is like a really low shelf. So the credenza is gonna be a little bit higher. I think it's gonna look more polished, more clean. And then this bar, I'm also gonna move next to the corner by the kitchen where the other credenza currently is. And then I'm just gonna like redecorate this whole space right here. So let's do that first. I'm really nervous because he has so many cords and things here and like different electronics. And the cables in the back of this unit are a hot mess. So I am like super nervous about that, but we're gonna make it work. This is where we are so far. We moved this clear table here, which I don't love, but it's better than it was before. It's not as cluttered. And then we moved the bar cart here, which is where it originally was when I first moved in. And then we just moved it because that other piece that was here couldn't fit. I think it just makes so much more sense here. Already feels a lot better. And this mirror is also gonna go, and this is gonna be a gallery wall. Like on this area, see that's where the bar cart was. I think that looks much better, less cluttered. And then we're gonna move this piece here. Hi guys, it's been like 7 hours or something crazy, but we finally finished for the day. I'll show you guys the progress that we've made. We finished the living room, so I'm gonna give you a little sneak peek of that. So we moved that credenza piece here, and I'm loving how this looks. I took the middle door off so that we could put electronics in and we didn't have to like keep opening and closing the door. Obviously we moved the speakers and the record player there. I love how this looks, a lot more than before. We moved the plant back here where the bar cart was before, and I just put it on a little table to elevate it and like fill that space. Those are some pieces that I need to hang eventually, and then this all stayed the same. So we have this custom table that Raul had made. There's our couch. Still need to fix all of that situation, but we're making progress, you guys. I ended up putting up a couple pieces for sale because I just wanted to be more minimal, like less cluttered, and just to make the space feel bigger than it is, which is a pretty decent sized apartment. I just like, I don't do well with clutter, and I want to have space to like film and stuff like that. So I think I earned some dinner, so I'm about to make myself some dinner. Natalie just left. So thankful that she came and helped me. She like loves organizing for some reason. So I'm actually gonna make myself some cauliflower gnocchi. I love these. This is like the 4th bag that we've gone through. Well, that I've gone through at this point. And then I'm just gonna like relax, you guys. I'm gonna wash my hair, put on a face mask, fix my nails that are atrocious. I've put my hands through hell today, washing them and cleaning. And then I'm just gonna like order groceries to have them delivered tomorrow, hopefully, and look at some home decor stuff online that I want to order, hopefully get it in by this week so that I can like redecorate and stuff before Raul comes home from his business trip. And I just want to surprise him and do something nice for him, so I'm really excited. All right, let's make some dinner.
Like two magnets, we are drawn to each other. You just know how to push all my buttons. Moved out of town and I erased your number, but still I find myself calling in the middle of the night, and there is nothing.
All right, so I made little price tags for all of my items that I'm selling at the blogger sale, and as you can see, everything is going to be under $25. So what I did was I bought these little tags off Amazon, threaded some string, put a business card on there because obviously marketing, and then I added this little safety pin situation so that I can attach it to the clothing. So I'm gonna go and price all of my items now and then like fold everything down and get it out of the way. Hi guys, so today is the day we are heading over to the blogger closet sale, and I'm so excited. I'm really looking forward to meeting a lot of you guys that have DM'd me saying that you're coming. It's gonna be a good time, you guys. I am so excited. Let me show you my outfit. All right, so this is my look. I'm wearing this H&M studio top that I'm obsessed with. I've already worn it a couple times and I'm not ashamed. You guys know I'm a repeat offender. And I'm wearing these new, to me, wedgie Levi wedgie fit. I ruined my last pair because I fell on the street and I broke the knee, or I tore the knee, I should say. So I got these on Poshmark because they don't make this wash anymore. I'm doing a little bit of animal on animal. So I'm doing snake with the zebra. That's what that looks like. And then I'm just wearing, actually I think I might change my earrings. This is my look. Sorry it's so dark in here. It's really overcast today. So, and that's some stuff that I'm bringing, and that's Peanut with a haircut. Hi, Parker. Heading to the closet sale. The gang is all here, and that's all the clothes that we are selling today.
Now that's deceiving. That's really deceiving.
Best boyfriend assistant, best sister assistant, best spouse, you guys. He made his whole rack and this whole section for me.
Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way.
Alright, so we just took a picture, group picture.
It's here.
And we are heading in. The sale is about to start. There's already people waiting outside.
Come and see me, guys.
So
That's
excited.
my new intro.
I mean, this isn't live, this isn't Instagram.
What?
This is YouTube.
And what's your point? Honestly, you should really be paying your salary. I can't go live.
Not really with the snack.
Keeping this girl alive. Guys, come shop.
This is in the past tense, is what I'm trying to tell you.
Why, hello, miss.
Hi, so we're shopping Rose's Closet. If you guys follow her YouTube channel, you would have probably seen a lot of these things hauled in her haul videos. And now you don't have the price tag on them. So the price tag on them. And now you can shop her closet virtually. How exciting!
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me break it. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Ooh, baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me.
Peanut. Oh, you're so friendly, Parker.
Hi guys, so I just finished working out, hence the look. Excuse my appearance right now. Whew. But I wanted to take a minute before I just forget. This is as real as it gets, you guys. So the blogger sale yesterday went amazing. It was such a good turnout. It was such a well-organized event. I sold so much stuff, and I made so many new friends and followers and just connected with so many amazing women. So I'm super, super grateful. And I'm really grateful to my sister and to Raul for helping me. It went just like perfectly, and I couldn't have done it without them. So it's like really gross that I'm talking to you guys right now as I'm profusely sweating. I'm just about to jump in the shower, and it's Game of Thrones night. Today has been about just finishing up my taxes because yes, I procrastinate and I leave it to the last minute. And just like family time. We went to the dog park with Parker. As you guys saw, he was so cute and like just like overjoyed to be playing with other dogs. He's so social. And I'm getting back into the rhythm of like creating content and, you know, uploading more frequently and like on time, not like super delayed videos that are like a month after I've already shot them. So I'm working on that and getting my schedule right. And yeah, I'm gonna go shower now and get decent. It is Game of Thrones night. The boys are out for a walk right now, and we ordered takeout, we ordered sushi and stuff. And I'm just gonna have some wine and veg out and watch Game of Thrones because I'm so excited. And yeah, I'll catch up with you guys in a bit. Bye guys.
Our spread. General Tso's chicken.